Most homeowners do not realize how much easier bedbug prevention becomes when they use a complete bedbug protection bundle instead of random single products. A good bedbug protection bundle usually combines mattress and box spring encasements, bed leg interceptors, passive or active monitors, and sometimes recommendations for a compatible steamer, and the power comes from using every piece together, not one at a time. Start by fully encasing every mattress and box spring in the home, zipping them completely, and double-checking that the zipper has a sewn-in flap that blocks tiny gaps where bedbugs could escape. Next, install bed leg interceptors under each leg of every bed and main seating piece, making sure the legs sit centered inside the interceptor wells so bugs cannot bridge by touching the floor or wall. Place monitors at high-risk spots like behind headboards, beside sofas, and near luggage storage areas, and check them at least once a week using a flashlight, looking for live bugs, shed skins, or tiny dark droppings. If your bundle includes or recommends a steamer, move slowly at about 1 inch per second along seams and tufts, because moving too fast does not keep surface temperatures high long enough to kill bedbugs and their eggs. Finally, follow an integrated treatment timeline if you suspect an infestation, repeating steaming, vacuuming, and inspections every 7 to 10 days for at least 4 to 6 weeks, even if things look clear earlier. People often make the mistake of buying encasements but skipping interceptors, which lets bedbugs continue to climb up the bed without getting trapped. So pair both and treat the bed as an island with no bedding or furniture touching the floor. Another common issue is doing a single, deep clean and steam treatment, then stopping as soon as they do not see bugs for a week, but eggs can still hatch later. So schedule recurring inspections and treatments on a calendar and follow the full multi-week timeline. A third problem is misreading monitors, either ignoring faint dark spots or confusing lint with insects, so compare anything suspicious to online identification guides, and when in doubt, bag a sample in clear tape or a small container to show a professional or extension office for confirmation. BigHomeProjects.com helps tie this all together by making it easier for homeowners to find local contractors who understand bedbug protection bundles and can step in if a do-it-yourself approach is not enough. We also help contractors connect with more homeowners, and we give both groups a discussion community where they can share real-world tips, product experiences, and step-by-step bedbug prevention strategies.